Hi and welcome students. In today's video I'm going to be going over computer fundamentals and talking about file extensions. I'm going to show you what file extensions are, and then I'm going to go into how to view the file extensions on your own computer. Let's go ahead and get started. So each file has its own file extension. It's usually a 3 to 4 letter identifier found at the end of each file name. So for instance, if you save a file, it'll be the name of that file, then a period, then the 3 to 4 letter identifier. Extensions tell you what type of file something is. So if you see one like the one on the PowerPoint slide, it says JPEG, that's a JPEG file. And if you ever see .jpeg after a file name, you know that it's an image. Okay, so moving ahead, here's some more examples of file extensions. So my channel does mostly Microsoft Office tutorials, and you'll see that in Microsoft Word, after every single file you create, it says .docx, and that lets you know that it's a Word 2016 file. It's .xlsx for Excel, .accdb for Access, and .pptx for PowerPoint. So if you ever see an older version of Microsoft Office, you're going to notice that the X at the end of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint is not there. And so that lets you know that it's an older version of Microsoft Office. So now what I'm going to show you how to do is how to find the file extensions on your own computer. So let me go ahead and show you these files right here. And so we have 11 files in this kind of gallery here. Now, just by looking at these images, you could tell what some of the files are, but only if you're familiar with the types of files. So for instance, I know this is a Word file because I could see the Word document right there. But as we move through, this looks like a PDF right here, but we see these two down here. These are just images, but I don't know if they're a JPEG, I don't know if they're a PNG, I'm not really sure. So what I need to do is I want to show you guys how to actually show your file extensions. And so the way that you do that is you open up File Explorer right down here, and again this is in Windows 10. And right down here, if you open up File Explorer, it'll open it up. I know that those are located on my desktop, so I click there. So you would just go to whatever file or storage location that you know the file that you want to find is. And so I see the files right here. Now I can't really tell a lot about what the files are from this view in File Explorer. So I actually have to change my view. So one of the things that I do is I go right up here to the View tab, and I click that View button. Okay. Now I like to have this gallery of tabs always showing because I do use this area. So first thing I do, I go right over here and I click this little pin right here, and that actually pins the ribbon so that it won't go away. So now it's locked up here. So even if I click down here, all of this will stay up here. Next thing I want to do is change the layout of how these files are displayed, and I want to change that to details. Okay, details is very nice because it'll give me the name of the file, the date modified, the type of file, and the size of the file. So I could tell what type of file it is from right here, and that again has to do with the extension. But if I want to see, for instance, what is an Excel extension or what is a PNG extension or anything like that, I could go right up here to the Show Hide group, again within the View tab here, Show Hide group, and I click this right here, File Name Extensions, and I click it to turn it on. And then you'll see all of the file extensions will appear after the file name. Now most of the time I leave this off because I know what types of files are on my computer, but when I do need to find the file extensions, I click that checkbox right there. By default this is off, and again you can find this in the View tab, the Show Hide group, and the file name extensions. The only downside of showing the extensions is it adds extra letters to your file name, so it can kind of get confusing if you have a lot of the same type of file name to know where your file begins and where your file ends. So hopefully this tutorial has explained a little bit about what a file extension is, given you some good examples, and finally shown you how to turn on your file extensions so that you can view them in File Explorer. If this video has helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.